the A 5-finger scale. So after exploring the other positions in D and C, we are now looking at A position. And if you're stuck, just take a look at the map on top or look at my hand. I am playing A, B. My 3 is moving up to the black key, C sharp, D, and E. My left hand, I'm going to start on the bottom A right here. Let's start with the scale. Snowman chord. 5, 7, back to chord 1. Left hand. For A chords, let's move the right hand down to the middle area. Left, right, cross over to left, under and over to A, down to here. Broken. Let's do that a little bit slower, starting up here. With a scale. Left hand. And now the A chords, bringing right hand to A middle section. So left hand down to here first. Cross over. And left hand broken.